know, as I was driving down the street, I thought about it. I was trying to remember. I remember being in this little office building on Cahuenga Boulevard for the audition. And here I am now on Hollywood Boulevard, probably 10 blocks from where that was. It's just extraordinary. These movies are about families. Families have shared them from years and years. You know, people who were teenagers are now showing their teenagers. It's a beautiful linkage for me in every possible way.
Walking alongside of her for her last kind of walk in Laurie Strode's shoes has been such a blessing and an honor. She brings such a depth and a vulnerability, and it comes with the fact that Jamie and Laurie are kind of one and the same quite a bit, and they've lived with each other for so long, and so kind of watching her take this last like graceful bow has been iconic to be a part of.
I can't, I mean, of course I'll never say goodbye to her. How could I ever? She is me, I am her, we are one.
I mean, starting, doing that movie when I was a little girl, I would never have imagined that all of these years later I'd be on this carpet here playing the same role, and people still want to see these movies and see these characters. The best thing that's come out of making these Halloween movies is my relationship with Jamie. She's loving, supportive. She's just incredible. I'm so grateful,
Have you seen the ending? It's sad. It's all a little sad. But glorious and beautiful, and I couldn't be happier to be here.